Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 62. Smarter Machines, Wilder Skies, New Frontiers. Made by Chris Morley. In Boston on Sunday, May 31st, 2026 at 11:53 p.m. UTC. Brain-inspired neuromorphic chips are taking on AI's energy crisis, and a new nature roadmap lays out how to scale that technology up. In San Francisco, a fresh whale spotting program just launched, while drones are on track to become a $40 billion industry. And coming up, we look at how multimodal AI is reshaping creative work in 2026 and why decentralized platforms are pushing well past blockchain basics. Now, a story from the world of neuromorphic computing. Neuromorphic computing is drawing serious attention in 2026 as a potential answer to artificial intelligence's growing energy demands. Unlike conventional processors, neuromorphic chips are designed to mimic the way neurons and synapses communicate in the human brain, allowing them to handle complex tasks using a fraction of the power traditional hardware requires. Companies including Qualcomm, Poland Technology, and BlueMind are among those developing brain-inspired chips aimed at edge computing applications, where low power consumption is critical. Researchers at Los Alamos National Laboratory have described neuromorphic systems as potentially faster and more efficient than the human brain itself, though widespread commercial deployment is still considered a work in progress. Here's a story making waves in research. A new initiative called Whale Spotter officially launched in San Francisco this week, aiming to protect whales from deadly collisions with large cargo and passenger ships. A group of marine mammal experts gathered to mark the launch of the program, which is designed to give vessels advance warning when whales are nearby. Ship strikes are one of the leading causes of death for several whale species along busy shipping lanes on the United States West Coast. The program represents what organizers called the first major formal step toward reducing those collisions at scale. Up next, a headline from across science and technology. The global drone market is projected to reach $40.56 billion by 2030, according to industry analysis tracking rapid expansion across commercial and industrial sectors. Agricultural applications are among the fastest-growing segments, with autonomous machines, computer vision, and precision drone systems increasingly replacing manual fieldwork on farms worldwide. Survey and mapping operations are also advancing, with manufacturers such as Wingtra releasing new fixed-wing drones designed to extend range and data quality for aerial mapping. Regulatory frameworks in several countries continue to evolve as operators push for broader, beyond visual line-of-sight approvals. Now, a story from the world of neuromorphic computing. A team of 23 researchers, including scientists from the University of California, San Diego, published a detailed roadmap in the journal Nature in January 2025, outlining what needs to happen to scale up neuromorphic computing. The paper identifies sparsity as a defining feature the field must harness, drawing on how the human brain first forms dense neural connections before selectively pruning most of them. The authors argue that replicating this process in hardware could make artificial systems far more energy efficient. Neuromorphic chips are designed to mimic biological brain structures, and researchers say scaling them successfully could reduce the energy cost of AI computation significantly. Now, a story from the world of generative AI, creative multimodal. Generative AI tools capable of handling text, images, audio, and video together are reshaping creative work across industries in 2026, according to multiple market reviews published this year. Businesses are increasingly using multimodal systems to automate content production and streamline workflows that once required separate specialist teams. Emerging applications can interpret gestures, recognize faces, and process spoken language simultaneously, opening new possibilities in areas like interactive media and customer experience design. Analysts tracking the sector say small businesses have become a significant growth segment, with purpose-built generative AI platforms now targeting that market specifically. Last up, the latest from Decentralized Tech Cryptography. Developers building on the Interplanetary File System, known as IPFS, are expanding what decentralized networks can do, with projects like Capsule Social combining cryptographic tools and blockchain infrastructure to create censorship-resistant publishing platforms. The approach moves decentralization beyond simple file sharing into structured social discourse, relying on cryptographic verification rather than central servers to authenticate content. Security researchers tracking the space say the convergence of these technologies is drawing fresh attention from both privacy advocates and enterprise developers. Interest in decentralized infrastructure has grown steadily as concerns about platform control and data vulnerability continue to rise globally.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. This newscast was automatically generated using custom software written in Python and JavaScript that Chris Morley built from scratch using Claude Code. The newscast content is automatically generated from internet sources. The realistic avatar is animated by AI. The look of the avatar is customizable using one headshot image as the input, and it can be a real person or an imagined one. This newscast features an imagined avatar. Any similarity to real people is purely coincidental. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run, and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics, as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you, and you would like to see something like this, customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. More science, tech, and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching.